forgot how loud this thing was. Hello everybody. Today, the Ecotec Miata, which actually still exists, don't mind the messy garage, it's going to be getting a new front bumper and new turn signals in the front. These ones are the original ones. They're just regular old halogen bulbs, and they look dated. They're not terribly bright, so we're going to be replacing them with something cooler. So these are the new turn signals. These are the 2-Jack Customs sequential turn signal kit from 2-Jack Customs. Yes, sequential indicator kit. It also has daytime running lights built in, which is pretty cool. And these are marketed as just being plug and play. You can see the overall fit and finish on them. They're pretty dark. And the back of them, I don't know if you can tell, it's 3D printed with, I believe, ABS plastic. And these are custom made for the Miata, and they're said to be plug and play, which is pretty cool. And they're going to be LEDs, so that's cool also. So it'll be a lot brighter than the old ones. So let's get started. Alright, so the white bumper is on. You can see it doesn't have the 4 holes in it like the red one did. So now we can go to actually installing the 2-Jack Customs sequential turn signals and daytime running light kit. Make sure before you do anything with the wiring to disconnect the battery. Alright, so next up is going to be actually wiring the indicator lights. So they have these little splice connectors that are just going to splice into the factory turn signal harness, and then one of them on each side is actually going to go to the alternator, which on a stock Miata isn't too difficult, but on an Ecotec Miata where everything's kind of crammed in there, it's a little more difficult. Alright, so I have all of the wires connected except for the one for the alternator. So I'm going to actually install the indicator light into the bumper, and then I'm going to run the alternator wire into the engine bay of the car. So there's what the new indicator light looks like installed into the car. I don't have the alternator wire running yet. I still need to do the other side. So the reason why this is so much more difficult on the Ecotec Miata than on a regular NA8 or NA6 Miata is that the alternator is on the wrong side, because you know it's got a General Motors LE5 in it. So yeah, it's might have to extend this wire a little bit, the one coming from the right turn signal, but overall it's not too bad. It's just got a little ring post on it. That's going to go onto the actual alternator, and then this one just has one of these little taps on it, and this is actually going to tap into this wire. So I mean, it's not too bad, it's just a little bit janky, because you know, of course this the turn signals weren't designed for an Ecotec Miata, but I'll make it work. So hopefully this now all works. So I'm gonna get in the car and give it a try. Oh, look at that. So that's what the hazards look like. I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, and then we could take a look at what the running lights look like. I forgot how loud this thing was. So no running lights right now. So you actually have to put the turn signal stop to the second click, or rather the first click, for the running lights to come on. And there's the running lights with the sequentials. So I hope you all enjoyed. I've been excited to make this video, and I hope you guys like the new multicolor look of the car. These lights are very cool. They're a little bit on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for. These things are awesome. I'll leave a link to them down in the description. 2Jack Customs has really great customer service, so if you have any questions, go ahead and send them over their way. But I hope you all enjoyed. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, and go ahead and subscribe to me on YouTube. Like the video if you didn't, dislike it if you didn't. I'll see you all next time.